Yun. Alright. Ito na. 15 minutes na lang daw and then we'll entertain some of your questions. This is the last part. So, now we know yung paano yung cycle ng Bitcoin. We know that dapat we should take profit. Diba? We know narinig natin yung ibang mga possible catalyst and on a technical perspective, nasa na tayo. So, a lot of people are asking me, saan ba bibili? At what price? No? At what price ba kami bibili dito? Yung tinatanong nila. So I always answer them, it is not don't ask the question, at what price ako bibili? The most important question that you need to ask is, how am I gonna buy? Right? Kasi I could say, sige, you buy at 50K. Eh paano kung hindi mabot ng 50?